to do this intro. We got the Monte with the diesel swap. We got some snow on the ground. Obviously by my footprints, it likes to kind of stick to the rubbers. So it's probably not going to be very good. Let me get the battery and let's fire this thing up. And this is actually the day after the El Camino video. Literally. Overnight snow from Japan. I just want to show y'all the glow plug circuit on this engine because the cold start video, there was quite a few of you that said a diesel in 19, or how cold was it? 33 degrees? Yeah, a diesel at 33 degrees runs like crap. You're a fucking idiot. So here's the glow plug circuit. That's how it turns on. That releases it. I usually turn it on for about 7 seconds. So usually when like the time's up, I'll disengage them. By the time I get in the car, they're already cold, motherfuckers. So we're pretty much starting this with no glow plug. No pump advance. That's to turn the pump on. That's the advance right there. We got no throttle up, no nothing. This is like Stone Age. So anyway, I just want to cover that to the folks who think that this thing actually runs like crap. Find me a diesel that runs good in the cold. You won't. You will never find one. Need a little more glow plug there. Not bad though. Got no throttle, like no foot on the gas. Pretty good for just like sitting for that time. Haven't used it since the last video, so I don't usually do that stuff. I don't know if you can hear me over here. Try it again. That's why I kind of want that pump advance. Makes this easier. Motherfucker sounds like she's got a 550 cam in her. I love that. I'll show you what happens with the glow plug. See? Once you fire the glow plugs up, she smooths out. But you don't want to leave it running with them. Not bad, folks. Fucking diesel there. I'll show you the oil pressure we got. It's fucking cold, so it's gonna be that. Here's our vacuum. It's only used for the transmission because I have manual brakes because I'm a fucking asshole. This thing barely slows down. Alright, I should probably move this because I got fucking neighbors over there that'll probably kill me if I keep running this like that. Baddest fucking diesel swap G-body on the internet, motherfuckers. Ain't got no sound like that. Look at the motherfucker. In the snow. I wanted to go this way anyway, people. I didn't like going that way. I like this way. I did that with the Malibu. I almost killed myself. My dog was a little closer than that. Love that shit. I would just love to be on a lake right now. Almost treat it. Almost put a big gaping fucking dent in the side of this motherfucker. I'm sure all you folks will love to see that. Now you know. Okay, that's it. All this stuff been a few times. Icy. Fuck me. Get off the damn road, you motherfucker! Get the fuck off the road, you stupid son of a bitch! What are you trying to kill somebody? Maybe. See now everybody else is trying to kill the motherfuckers. and behold, it is the diesel of sorts. Something going on with the line down there. I'm not sure if it's the return line or what. I think it's the return line. It might have failed. Maybe the fuel pump failed. I'm not sure. It's kind of all over the side of the block here. So something was spraying out, I believe. I think it was this hose right here spraying up. I could be wrong, but it's definitely diesel fuel.